Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we're at the Grand Design booth looking at their Lineage M Series motorhomes. Now, Grand Design started building motorhomes just over a year ago, and they're doing some pretty impressive things. In the M Series, this is built on a Mercedes 4500 series chassis. So, nice, large, robust chassis. This unit is also going to find itself with 540 watts of solar, 310 amp hour battery, and a 4500 watt LP generator to provide you that additional power. Now, as we're looking outside, you're going to notice the large garage storage that they place on the unit. Big, heavy, finished doors, all aluminum. The garage storage is large and massive in here and has some very special features that we're not necessarily seeing in competitors. They have the lockdown tracks here and up here. Plus, there's actually a table that's recessed in, so it has its own location. Also, when you look, you take a look at the extra stability here in the framework, just to give it that extra sturdiness. Now, as we step back from the unit, you're going to notice the large armless awning with LED lights that's actually almost the entire length of the unit. Outside entertainment with outside speakers, and let's pop open another door just to take a look at the storage. So we have another bin here, nice and large, to be able to put more gear. There's an HDMI plug-in as well as some power right in here. However, the real beauty of this M Series is inside. We bring you fantastic RVs, detailed walkthroughs, upgrade tutorials, parts reviews, and even some automotive content. This is RVing TV. So let's go take a look inside. Now, when you're inside, this of course is built, as I mentioned, on that 4500 series Mercedes chassis. So you have your Mercedes steering wheel, all the Mercedes electronics, and media center. Now, the seats are upfitted by Grand Design. So you have an option of the standard being a vinyl seat or the upgraded leather package that you see here. Just a really nice feature across the board. When we pan up, it's a nice large sleeping area over the cab with the large window. Plus, there's a little hidden feature in the unit. Pop down the headrest, and what you see here is a headrest vault. Put in your code. Now, this one's unlocked right now, and you have a little vault right in your headrest. Put in your wallet, your jewelry, your passport, close it up, and no one would even know that it's there. That is thinking outside the box. As we pan over, we have a slide out with home theater seats. These are power seats. They're finished in the leather upgrade. So in the leather upgrade, you get your home theater seats and your front seats, all part of that option. Couple of things I'll point out, the Grand Design let me know. The windows here, these are acrylic windows from Europe. Also, the wood finishings here on our sides, our wallboards, are spec'd out of Europe. So, little bit different than what we're going to see in a few of the competitors. Great little idea. For privacy, you have day shades that pull down from the top and night shades that pull up from the bottom. And they're just a nice smooth operation. You know that I like to look at storage, so let's pop it open, and we have nice deep storage, reasonable height, but important feature, take a look at your hinges. Nice big hinges, which will mean years and years of operation. Now, they don't slam down. They seem to be a little slower, softer close there, and you lock up your doors. Let's look at some unique features, and that's what I'm going to try to point out. The flooring is a special Shaw flooring with a 7-year warranty. So they've put a little more money in the flooring itself. Also, something that's been unique. when you look at most RVs, the ceiling is a soft touch and it's going to be all white. They've chosen to go soft touch, but in the gray. Also, your air conditioning outlets are not the traditional round outlets. They've gone with these thinner outlets that really look modern and very finished, and it's a dual run, you'll notice on this side as well. The intake of the AC is up in behind here, so it gives it a more finished look, keeping it a little bit nicer. Now, when we look at our kitchen, we have solid surface countertops, nice big extension on there. They've gone with a thinner countertop for that sleeker look. Double stainless steel sink, and they throw some candies in here during the show for the dealers. Little bit different faucet, and it does have the pull down, plus the glass washer, which is a nice little touch. I'm going to move their laptop to the side, 2-burner range here in this unit. And down below is the convection microwave with air fryer from Furrion. So you can cook anything that you would cook in an oven right in there. Now, you know that I like to take a look at items. There's our scrunchie drawer. Let's take a look at the space underneath. We've got good space down here for some pots and pans. We also have a pots and pans drawer right here. And then an additional drawer with solid wood construction around. And they're all on European glides to help support the weight and give you longevity over the long run. Now, I like to look at different features in units that make it very unique. The bathrooms in the grand designs, they're really doing something different. This is actually the center of your shower. So we have our toilet here, and they're porcelain. The sinks are set up a little bit different. We have a medicine cabinet here. Hi, everyone. And then what you do, so we're going to do our test as we've done in a number of units. You're standing here, and you can see I have lots of room from where I'm standing. I can put my elbows out and be able to shower. Now, their shower pivots around and then comes to this point. This wall will pivot around, so I'm going to do this now just to give you an idea, because the other door's in the locked open position. But you know, we have a really good space here for showering. And then if you want, you could close that off to keep your toilet and the rest of your bathroom area dry. So a little bit of different thinking than what's been traditionally done. Plus, let's look up. And I don't know about you guys, but I have one of these in my house, the rainfall shower head. Absolutely beautiful to take a shower in. So here it is right above us, right? Making it nice and easy, but you also have the handheld shower to be able to, you know, wash your feet off nicely, or the ladies love the handhelds here. Now you might think it's funny, but here is the fridge, and remember, it's going to be away because of our pivoting wall. Nice large fridge with the freezer drawer below and the additional little shelf here. So that's nice. Now, this is their TK system, basically twin king. So you have two twin beds, and there's other units that have this kind of layout set up, but a little bit unique here. They actually use 2 power recliners. So you'll notice the bed head is just reclined upwards to be able to sit back and watch TV. Here's our TV. They have a nice size TV placed here, but they're power, so you can, if you like to sleep fully flat, you can lay it down flat. You can lay up and sleep this way, which is great if you happen to snore a little bit. And if you wanted to convert it to a king, you're essentially taking this cushioned area, which has cup holders, which is nice when you're sitting back having a drink, maybe a coffee in the morning, but that flips over down into here. And let's see if we can actually maybe do that one-handed. So this will flip over and push down into space, and now you have a king-size bed that you can sleep crossways two people. And this has been a very popular style of layout. And if you don't want it, flip it back up, nice and easy. You can get in and out. Now they've also tucked away some additional storage back here. So it's pretty deep, not very tall, but enough to put linens, etc. Plus on the sides, we have some shelving back there, as well as shelving on this side. Also to move air around, a high volume fan in the bedroom area, which is nice because if it's a reasonably cool night, you can actually just be really comfortable by moving that air around. Now, a couple of things they're doing different. They're not using any silicones up on the roof. They're actually using specialized gaskets. So when the roof is built and put together, it's clamped down on gaskets, so you don't have to worry about silicones or caulking or self-leveling sealant that's actually going to dry up and need to be replaced. And if you forget to do that maintenance, you start to have water leaks. They're trying to build a roof that's going to have longer term longevity and protect against water leaks. Something very smart and very different in the industry. So this is the Series M. We're going to take a look at a few other Grand Design units since we're here, and we'll bring you those videos in the next little while. Thank you to Grand Design for giving us access to these units. If you have questions, visit your local dealer, check them out. To you, our viewers, I want to say thank you. Please click the like and subscribe, and check back more for new and unique product available by a variety of manufacturers, including Grand Design. Take care.